Hi, so today we're going to see how to document a flexion test in Equi-Pro. So first you need to start a measurement. You can do that from the Start Measurement tab or directly from the horse page. Once you're on this page, you should make sure that all the sensors are connected and in the network. So this is the case here with all the green ticks, that the signal quality is good and that the battery levels are good. Here we can see that the sacrum sensor has orange battery level, but that's sufficient for what we want to do today. Then you will select the examination purpose. So in our case, a leadness eval, the type, so in this case the horse is led in hand, and you can start the measurement. So of course, as like every time you start a new measurement, you need to do the calibration. So try to make your horse stand still, and if it's not possible, you can also do it after, or you can, for example, remove the head sensor if that's the issue and put it on the flat surface and wait. So you can start with a baseline measurement, for example. And once you're ready, you can go with the flexion test. So below the connection status, you have the Add Flexion Test box. You can check it. A menu with all the available flexion tests will show up. So you have the flexion tests types here, also there, and the limbs where you can apply them. So for example, let's say we want to start with a full left front flexion test. So you will have to click on Start and then Stop. And the idea is that all the data between the start and stop will be labeled with the metadata information containing the limb and the type of flexion test. So let's go ahead. My handler is flexing the limb, so I click on Start. I can wait for half a minute or a full minute, depending on how I do that at my location, at my clinic. And then once the horse is back from the trot up and stopped, I can click on Stop. I can repeat all the flexion tests I want in the same measurement and later let the program analyze and compare the data. So once you're finished with all your flexion tests, you can click on Stop. And as usual, the software will analyze the missing samples and resynchronize everything and show you the results.